Hello everyone, it's me JP from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get word or text suggestions while typing using on-screen keyboard in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just click on the Windows Start menu icon. And now just search for on-screen keyboard. Under first list you'll see the application, just click on it. Now you can see here the on-screen keyboard. Now in order to get a word or text suggestions, just click on this option. Now at the bottom you will see here one option, text predictions. Just turn it on and click on OK. Now whenever you type some words, so you can see here you are getting a word or text suggestion as you can see on the above. So by enabling this hidden features present inside this on-screen keyboard settings, you can easily get word or text suggestions while typing using on-screen keyboard in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.